Are you okay? You okay? Bring her some water, please. Ahorita te voy a dar medicine, Mom, okay? Good morning, guys. This is what I had to hear all night. Do you want a ponytail or a side one with a bow?
Or do you want to
Do you want it like... No, not like that. Do you want a side one or do you want me to pick up your whole hair? All of it? Or just a little bit here? All of it or just a little bit here? Huh? All of it? You want one? Yeah. Tato agua, Mama. They brought you water so that you wouldn't cough. Dile thank you, Cami. Tell her thank you. Dáselo. Ya me prende la troca, Calici. And do one.
Yeah, her shoes are right there.
Okay. I try to get out of here in 5 minutes, guys. ¿Dónde está el little spray bottle?
I don't know.
Es que esta niña tiene el pelo bien lacio. I'm just going to pick it all up, but like that. She has her hair super lacio, guys. Pero tiene chingos de pelo. How'd you sleep, Maggie? Maggie, how'd you sleep?
Good.
Good? Did you have any good dreams like we prayed about last night?
What did I pray about?
Does she have good dreams?
Mm-hmm.
Did you have good dreams?
Sorry, Joe. Life isn't just unicorns and rainbows.
Okay, she said it. Don't traumatize your little 4-year-old sister. Oh, me dan una liga, please.
No, not a liga.
Can you just give me a little liga for her? Because it's not going to hold her hair. She has thick hair. Just a little liga, like the ones like, little small one. Not those, not those.
She has thick hair.
You know which ones. The ligas that you guys were wearing first. That you guys lost the package. That we just had to find them everywhere, trickling around.
Trickling. Oh, wait, I know.
Bueno, lo bueno es que Valentina se peina sola. Pero estas...
You can't believe Gabriela's going to pre-K this year.
Yes, Gabi's going to pre-K.
She's
3,
barely
2.
growing out her hair.
Yeah. So Maggie's going to go to the next level. She's not even going to kindergarten yet.
No.
Okay, I'm just kidding. You're going to stay with with your teacher. Okay? You and Gabby. Did you find it?
Are they these?
Yes.
See, guys?
La
She
troca.
can get it slick here, guys, but not on the performance.
Let me be. I'm just a mom.
You're so weird.
¿Quieres un cardazo?
I think she does, Mom.
Okay.
Oh, I have got.
Ya es todo lo que da. Dang it.
Oh.
It's gonna fall off.
Oh, Pasha.
I need another, like a real one.
Oh, I don't know.
That does more turns.
Oh, wait, yeah, bye. I think I have one. Here.
Ya me los enredé, ya me los acomodé todo. Dang it.
What about this one? No, we won't.
Look down, look down, look down, look down, look down.
Look down, Maggie. This does more turns. It's already 7:18, guys.
Can you
Already
please turn on the
late.
truck? Estar moviendo las narices aquí, vaya a prender la
Yeah,
troca.
whenever, you
Go
know.
get in the truck tú también y cállate las trompas.
Yeah, whenever she goes inside the truck and she remembers she forgets her keys, she goes, "Damn it!"
¿Cómo no te aprendes todo el Padre Nuestro? Mira, está todo chueco, guys. Es que tienen bastante pelo. Tienen bastante pelo. A ver, let me look at you. Okay, perfect. Which bow do you want? Como chinga lo va a mandar así con todo ese chueco, no mames, decía. Did you say hi, Maggie? Say good morning. No. Ahí está. Okay, which one do you want? Okay, sit down. Uh-oh, that's our last call. Okay, guys. Off we go. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. No, bye.